Let's go. Today, a little bit of level 1, level 2, and level 3 with light weights if you want. All right, health bounce. Push it down. Gauge the core. Relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Left and right, push down. Move that. Getting the lymphatic system warmed up. And circle the arms. Backwards. That's right. Health and happiness. Up and down. All right, that was your health bounce and your heel lifts. All right, heel digs to the front. Toe taps. Corner heels. And toe taps. And push backs like this. Squeeze the glute. Squeeze. Got it? All right, shake it out a little bit. All right. Well, if they make britches that stay up. All right. Step touch. Snap if you want. Just bouncing a little bit, but you're not coming off the mat. Just pushing down. And move your arms if you want, if you can. Keep it going. Now, where's my water? Let's just step it out and step, step. Walk it out. March. Woo, all right, now I'm gonna grab my weights. Okay, and I'm gonna do a basic bounce. Lifting a little bit off the mat. Really engage that core. Then I'm going to go out and in. Back to basic. Out and in. This is level 2. All right, march it out. Athletic arms. Now I'm going to bring my knees up with a bicep curl. And 4 and switch. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2, 2, and 2. 2, 2. Now 1 and 1. Loosen the grip. All right, let's go. This time I'm going to press my leg out and I'm going to punch. You can not bounce, or you can bounce. Strong. Other side, punch, punch. Level 1, punch. 2. Or light bounce. Other leg again, let's go. Punch. 2. Other side and punch. Or like this. All right, march it out. All right, I'm gonna go to triceps with that kickback. Squeeze in that tricep. Try to relax the shoulder. Turn around, let's go. Squeeze that tricep. Squeeze. Let's do it again. You got it. Come on. Stick with me. You got it. Other side. Let's go. All right, let's do scissors and punch forward. That was 2 songs with these. Now put it down. Ready? Gonna do knees up. This is level 3. It is a little harder because it's slower. Looks like this. Do one now. We go to double forward and double back. Singles now. And side to side. Center bounce. Bring it down to heel to a baby bounce. Relax for a minute. Gonna take it back up. To one of my favorites. If you've been following me, you know that it's the twist. Ready and really pull the belly button up and in on this one. No leaks. We don't want leaks. Working on good pelvic floor muscles. Now to one side surf. Push the hip out. Other side. Good, walk it out. Last song, well maybe, I don't know. I'm having too much fun. Little country, we're gonna do a heel toe. Can you do it? Heel toe. Now, corner heels. Little quicker. This is level 3. All right, bring it down a little bit. Step touch. We're gonna do a hopscotch. Ready? Bounce, double, single. Or just go here and here. Doubles. All right. This is a joyful jump now. Joyful jump. March. March, let's go. Come on, finish to the end. Y'all don't forget your water. All right. Step and forward and back. Forward and back. One leg. Leg that you're standing on is slightly bent. In the center of the mat, just use the one leg to push forward and push. Ah, the blue jay is trying to get in. Switch now again. Forward and back. Forward and back. Little cha-cha. And switch. Forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right. 2 in the middle, 2 out here. 2 in the middle, 2 out here. That's level 2. Level 1 is step, step. Out, out, in, in. Other leg. Out, out, in, in. Level 1. Come on. Beginners, seniors, level 1. Pick it up a notch to level 2. Out, out, in, in. All right, my feet are sweating now. It is too hot. My husband keeps it too hot in this house. And singles. Pop the legs up now. Level 3. Pop them up. Now add the arms. Last 10 seconds. You got it. Come on. Finish strong. Good. All right. Slow it down. Slow it down. Just step side to side. Lower the heart rate. And let's stretch. All right, shift side to side. You can lift the heels if you want. And let's stretch it out. Stretch. Stretch. And up. Stretch up. And down. Stretch. Come along. Yeah, we want strong bodies, right? Yeah, sway now. Bring the heart rate down. Come on. Breathe. Yes, happy, healthy, full of joy. Yeah. What's Matthew 19:26 say? It says, with God, all things are possible. You got this. And a little hip motion. And a little smile on your face. Having just some fun today. And that's it. Yay. Love you guys. See you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.